guide you through redeeming your Amazon gift card, whether you have a physical card or a digital e-gift card, so you can quickly add those funds to your account balance without running into code errors. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Amazon gift card balances never expire, but to use them, you must locate the correct claim code. For physical cards, gently scratch off or peel back the silver protective layer on the back to reveal the 14 to 15-character code. For digital e-cards, open your delivery email or text message to copy the claim code. Be sure not to confuse the claim code with the 16 or 30-digit card serial number. Let's walk through how to redeem each type. To redeem your gift card using your iOS or Android smartphone, open the Amazon Shopping app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon on the bottom navigation bar. Scroll down under the Payment section and tap Manage Gift Card Balance or Gift Cards and Credits. Tap Redeem a Gift Card. For physical cards, tap Scan your claim code to use your device camera, or type the 14 to 15-character code manually. For digital cards, paste the claim code you copied from your email. Tap Apply to your balance. Your gift card funds will instantly load into your Amazon balance, ready to be applied to your next eligible order. Here's how to redeem using a desktop or mobile browser. For digital e-cards, simply click the Apply to your balance button straight inside your gift card email to instantly claim it without typing. Otherwise, open any browser and go directly to amazon.com/redeem. Alternatively, hover over Account and Lists, click your account, and select Gift Cards. Type or paste your 14 to 15-character claim code into the box. Click Apply to your balance. Your account will update immediately, securing the funds to your profile permanently until you spend them. And that's how to securely link a gift card to your Amazon account. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.